Today I'm going to show you how to clean sycamore seed. It's time to collect sycamore seed here in Virginia, and these balls, which look like this, fall off the trees in the winter. Sycamore has leaves that looks kind of like a maple leaf, but they can be a whole lot bigger. The seed balls will crush really easily in your hand when they're mature. And here's how you clean the seed. Basically, you rub it and rub it and rub it, which loosens the seed from the chaff, which includes all these little hairs, which are inedible. The chaff falls away from the seed. You can see this is really a messy process. It generates a lot of very fine dust that you don't want to breathe. So you should definitely work outside and wear a dust mask. And basically you're just going to keep rubbing and shaking, rubbing and shaking and tossing, and the seeds will fall away from the chaff and they will fall to the bottom of your colander or your bowl, and the chaff will blow off or rise up to the top of the pile where you can then pick it off by hand. You might have to rub and toss the seeds a few different times and then pick off the chaff a few different times to get it completely clean to the point you want it. The chaff kind of forms little marble-sized balls that help you pick it off. You can easily gather and clean maybe a quart of seeds, and a good number of animals in wildlife rehabilitation will eat sycamore seeds. So thanks so much for watching, and check out our full database of the wild plants that animals eat over at our website, and that is www.wildfoodsforwildlife.com. Thanks.